Hey, welcome back, everyone. It is May 7th, 2026. IREN, IREN, just had their earnings. I sent a member's email where I said we're not going to touch IREN until they report earnings. Now, IREN is one of my favorites. It's not a Mag 7. It's not an index or sector. But it is a stock that I have vetted, I have used. What you're looking at on screen is when I started using IREN. And this goes all the way back to January 2nd. I'll be honest with you, I haven't even brought up 2025. I may have used it in 2025. We've made $22,000 in pure profit using IREN. But you know, I was a little worried that it was a little pricey. I backed off. I closed my cash secure puts that I had on. You can see them right there at the top. We ended up buying these options back. I know it's hard to see on screen, so I will point them out. We went ahead and bought these two cash secure put options back for 5 cents. Let's go ahead and dial in real quick so we can get some perspective as to what I plan to do now that IREN has announced earnings and the stock is up 5.8% in aftermarket. And this is beautiful because now that clears the path to use IREN going forward. But let's take a look at what I've been doing. I've been doing these 1 week trades. If you could see the time frame here, they're essentially 1 week trades. And what I love to do are these deep, out of the money cash secure puts. Stocks trading for 48.81, I do the 44. Stocks trading for 48, I do the 43. We're able to generate incredible premiums because IREN actually has some great IV. And that's what we want, right? We're selling cash secure puts. But more important, we have to look at the charts to determine where, if IREN were to sell off, why I picked the 43 strike when it was trading at 48x. And that's what this video is largely about, because we're about to put more money into IREN as it moves higher. Now, to answer the question, why wouldn't I just buy IREN and do an out-of-the-money covered call? Well, you know what business I'm in. I'm in the cash flow business. And what I love to do is cash secure puts, give myself some downside protection because I always fade the trade. Because we can't trust Wall Street. Now, we can feel that we can trust our favorite stocks. We can feel that we can trust Wall Street, but we can't trust any of it. If you're going to follow me, we're going to give ourselves downside protection. We're also going to try to find a favorable entry. Now, because IREN has rocketed higher, it's trading outside of the Keltner channel. Now, if you remember in a recent video, I said most every trade has a fat asterisk next to it right now because the market has rallied such that we just cannot use the Keltner channel top rule, meaning if it breaks out of the Keltner channel top, we don't touch it till it comes back. Look, this market, once they realized that the Iran war fear and uncertainty was over, this thing rocketed. This is the TQs right here, which is the NASDAQ. It's 3x leverage, but when it was trading at 37, that's when the uncertainty and fear was everywhere. And look at what happens. When they put a pause on the war, this thing doubles. This is incredible because this is a moment in time you won't see again. Oh yeah, we'll see up and downs, but you won't see this moment again. Because on top of this rally, you have the semiconductors that are blowing up. I mean, they were blowing up the charts. I mean, we could easily take a look at something like SOXL, which is what we've traded for years. And SOXL literally looks like a one-hit wonder pharmaceutical stock that got approval for its drug. Look at this. You would not think this thing traded for years in this beautiful, beautiful trading range where we made hundreds of thousands of dollars trading SOXL. But look at this. This is incredible. You can't trade SOXL right now. You can't trade any of them. But if you are going to take a position in any of these, let's make sure we give ourselves downside protection. Now let's focus on IREN, which has not benefited from this AI explosion although they're in the AI data farm business. Let's take a look at where IREN's at, because IREN is one that I've made considerable amount of money. Let's go back to IREN here, and you can see that today it was down. Now, it has been moving higher in anticipation of earnings. Now, the whole market sold off, seemed to sell off a little harder than what we see on screen. The NASDAQ was only down 32, but I'll tell you, a lot of our favorite stocks were red today. Take a look at IREN's trading range. This thing has had this incredible rally from 30 all the way up to 53. And we were doing out of the money cash secure puts. And you saw what we were doing, about $5 out of the money. We wait for IREN to rally. In fact, let me show you what I sent to the members, just so if you were thinking about becoming a member, in the description below, you get your 1 free month offer. I would love for you to join the membership, because this is what I try to show the members. First of all, they see all the trades you see on screen. They got them in and out, phone app, blog, email. They got them as close to real time as possible. And if they wanted to take the trade, all they had to do was follow me. Now, there's no hocus pocus here. This is no rocket science. You just follow me. I got real skin in the game. This is my retirement. I'm not here to try to impress anyone. When you sign up for the membership, you're seeing the world through my eyes. You're getting a peek over the shoulder of a professional stock trader, because this is how I generate my income in retirement. I retired at 55. And look, if I'm not good, I have to go back to the 9 to 5, and that's not happening. So, IREN is one we use. And IREN has made us $22,000 in the year of 2026. Let's take a look at that members email for which I told them we were going to pump the brakes and pause until IREN announced earnings. Now look, when you become a member, 1, you get to see all my trades. 2, you get to see all my exclusive member videos, for which I sent one today on how we use deep in the money call options, or what I call leaps call options, to do an in the money covered call. We spend less upfront capital, we make more cash on cash percentage gain. Tell you what, if you're one of those traders that are apprehensive, you're wondering how to find trades, you really should just join the membership. You see all my trades. I did 56 trades in April, 61 in March. I'll tell you what, we are on course to break almost every record of my trading. I'll tell you what, this is incredible. So here it is. This is what I sent to the members. It's all real. This is what I sent. I said, look, we're pausing action on IREN until earnings. That's May 7th. Today is May 7th, 2026. I said, hey, we've made all this money, but we're waiting. I've made my money. Now we wait. If it pops, good for them, and we will start more cash secure put campaigns. If they miss, let it settle, finding a good bottom. Then we start a covered call campaign on them. What do? We're going to wait through earnings, which we did. The business is good, so we're going to wait. I've learned my lesson with non-Mag 7 stocks. If I like them and I'm willing to use them, I will not take huge positions. What we're going to do is use sectors and indexes and Mag 7s. Those are the ones we take big bites on, because we know Wall Street always comes back. They always come back, and they always come back to the Mag 7. Why? The Mag 7 fills the entire room when it comes to market cap and S&P 500 and any of the indexes they're in, sectors included. So they have to buy the Mag 7. Trust me, if Apple falls from 290 to 90, this market will collapse. There's so many people invested in the Mag 7, just ride the wave. Now, if you're going to invest in single stocks, you want to find good ones and you want to take small bites. Take small bites. How many times have I seen in the Discord rooms and the Facebook groups where people load up and then they blow up their account and then they're begging anybody in the group to help them with their trade, their losing trade? At the membership, it's a little different than just somebody throwing up something on the wall and hope it sticks. See, I'm putting real money in this game. Let's take a look at those trades real quick, and then we'll get back to the chart because I'm going to show you what trades I'm going to do. These are all the trades. I recently closed all these trades. Although you see some losers here, I'll tell you, they're poor man covered call trades. Do you understand how poor man covered call trades work? If you pick a strike price and it blows past your strike price, you got to buy that back, losing money. But then you sell your Leap's call option. And that's what we have done here many, many times. Haven't lost on IREN yet. Now, I did do cash secure puts where IREN fell below my strike price and then I was assigned the shares. At the membership, we talk about that. This is not just willy-nilly stuff, man. If you become a member, there is a video that I just did. 3 key essentials to become a great trader. Now, we sell premium, we generate cash flow, and that's what we try to focus on. But those 3 elements will help you. And the golden guide to cover call writing? Well, in that golden guidelines of cover call writing, I list it all. I list everything. And in that guideline, you have access to videos that I've done over the years, talking about how we have great entries, how we pick our strike prices, and the tool. Do you know the expected stock move calculator was used twice today when I picked strike prices? I have tools for the members, at least 10 spreadsheets and trackers to help them manage the numbers to be successful. Let's focus back on IREN. All these 22,000 in pure profits. And this is where we're going to stick it in. So IREN right here, I hope you can see this. IREN right now closes at 56.85, giving us this beautiful moment. Because yesterday, this thing popped to almost 62. It peels back today, so we're able to buy some shares or do a put. I love it. We're going to use it. This thing will wake up tomorrow, and it'll be up 4 points, popping 7%. But that doesn't deter us. Not at all. Because we've traded this thing. We've traded it. You've seen it. What we're going to do is this. When it pops to basically right here, it's going to pop right here. That's not too much of a gap up. I mean, considering some of these stocks that have been rallying 15 and 20%, this isn't that bad. What we're going to do is we're going to plug this into our total income tracker. We're going to look at the cash on cash percentage gain we can make for a deep out of the money strike. Now, you say, John, this is a raging bull market. Why would you limit your upside? Well, because we're in the cash flow business, and this thing will be popping IV tomorrow. I'll be honest, I may not even do a cash secure put. I may buy the shares and then do an in-the-money covered call, because covered calls make more money than cash secure puts. But my point is, we're going to give ourselves downside protection. We're going to fade the trade. Why am I going to fade the trade? Because this thing will not find itself rallying to all-time highs anytime soon. Although it is outside of the Keltner Channel top, which is rule number 1 as to not to do, but our cash secure put or deep in the money covered call will be something lower. Now, this is going to start out at $60 tomorrow. We're going to start with the 55 strike. We're going to give ourselves downside protection. That 55 strike is probably going to pay us about $1.25 to $1.50. Because remember, this is going to explode tomorrow. We're going to get great IV. The put's not going to pay as much as the covered call. But to make $1.50 and give ourselves downside protection, look where I believe it would come back to. See, at the membership, I show you chart reading. And if you can't see on screen right now where this would come back, you need to become a member. Because I have a video series, many videos at the Download Hub of Chart Reading Classroom. And I'm going to talk about the Chart Reading Classroom with IREN tomorrow, and I'm going to post it. If you can't see right now where IREN, if it were to pull back, will pull back to, then your chart reading's not up to snuff. You need to get better. And I teach you how to get better. In the description below, get your 1 free month offer. Join us. You will get the trades that I put on. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm going to put on 2 trades. That's going to be 1,000 shares, probably at the 55 strike. And depending where it trades tomorrow, I could do something in and around the 55 strike. It's going to be short term, probably May 15th. Now, that's no guarantee. I mean, hey, I trade my own money. So based on where it's trading, I trade. I got to put money on the table so I can pay the bills. So IREN is this great example of where we made all this money. And it's so easy to just fall in love with these things. But I didn't. I pumped the brakes. I told the members we're pausing, we're waiting, and we did. And now that they've cleared earnings, now we could trade them again. And I'll tell you what, this thing could have fallen 10%. Easy. We get lucky, it's moving higher 7%. All we do is place the trade and we work the trade. It's all a number. There's no emotions here. That's the biggest hurdle most young traders have. In fact, most all traders have. They have money emotions. And what happens is when they miss out on this, they make bad decisions. Like tomorrow, people will show up and it's trading at 60.87 and they'll buy it and they'll do the at the money strike, make all that fat premium and feel good. And then when Wall Street takes its profit and pulls it back to 55, you're feeling like you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, that was me before I learned all my methods, my processes, and I became successful. You do know that many of the Ivy League schools that you know did various surveys and reports about retail investors. And I believe they came back with the findings that 93 to 94% of all retail investors either lose money, break even, or flat out quit. So that means we are a part of this elite group that makes money incredibly. You say to yourself, every single trade you make money. Well, maybe not. But how about we make money every single month, every single week? I'll tell you, when you sell premium, there's 3 outcomes, and 2 of them you win. Hey, all I'm telling you is this. I want the odds in my favor, and what we do is we do it time and time and time again, like a machine, a cash printing machine. Take speculation out of your trading. Join the membership. 1 free month offer. Watch that video. 3 key elements to becoming a great covered call writer, cash secure put seller, and the golden guidelines to covered call writing. And of course, you get all of my trades. You get all the members' videos, all of the tools that help me become the trader I am today. Retired at 55, I generate all of my income using the stock market. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.